Hi everyone, hope you are all having a lovely day. Welcome to my channel. This week is all about flowers. Last month I made an embroidery for a bride and groom with the names written and some floral design for the wedding. So this time I wanted to recreate something similar with a polygon heart, a coat and some pretty flowers, which I think would suit best for a Valentine's Day. It's a perfect handmade gift to be given to a loved one. Nowadays, such designs are especially very popular on Pinterest and Insta. So I made one of my own version. It's an easy embroidery but with intricate design. So I do want to confirm that it takes a lot of time. The stitches I used here are mostly very simple. I used stem, satin or split stitches. Nothing too complicated. I also introduced a new stitch called couching stitch. It's a very easy stitch and also very pretty one. So for petals, I'm using 3 colors. It's totally a personal choice in how much number of colors we want to use. The more colors we'll use, the more intricate and beautiful the embroidery will look. Also, I am using 2 types of stitches here, satin and split stitch. It's totally an embroiderer's choice. I am just going with the flow. In large places I am using split stitch and in smaller I am using satin. If you wanted to make the whole process easier, I would recommend to use satin stitch. I also want to say that there might seem some confusion in colors of thread, but it's all because of defective lighting. I had bought a new one and hopefully this mistake won't happen in the upcoming videos. I had added all the numbers of the thread, so please refer to them in any case of confusion. The size of this design is 10 inches, but it can be resized between 8 to 12-inch hoop. The link for the pattern is in the description below. Please do try it and tell me how you guys like it. For me, what I've found is that the couching stitch is the most easiest one. I never tried it before, but it definitely gives a very graceful look and especially great for some delicate patterns. Hope you guys like this video. Please give us a thumbs up and press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you soon. Until then, take care and enjoy.